G'day everyone, how you all going? Can anybody tell me what type of birds these are? They're flightless birds. Really? Don't make myself bigger, aren't you? It's big balls. Trying to come in here and steal the bird seed. We've got all this perfectly good grass to eat. That's what you should be eating. Hey? Oh, I got a baby there too. You got a family, that's why he's standing up. Ah, you can eat it. I'm not going to worry about it. Oh, I don't see a little one in there. You can just see it. It's the colour of the tea tree there. I haven't seen kangaroos for a long time. Don't know where you've all been. I'm in the lawns trying to get to the bird seed. No, he's standing up trying to... I could get the hose out and just spray them, but nah. It's okay. Yeah, just gotta keep an eye on him because he might want to, take it for a wider view here, he might want to try to have a go. He might make me think I'm a threat. Ah, they can steal the bird seed. That's what we get in our backyard. But these, I'm surprised they've not been around for a long time. We've not seen them this close to the house for a long, long time. It's good to see them though. They can just eat and be merry. I don't care if they steal the bird seed anymore too much. The white cockies come and steal it. The pink cockies come and steal it. Well. You can hear the white cocky there. It's okay. Just trying to catch a nice shot here. Well, you will take it easy and you will have a great day. It's a beautiful morning.